Several reasons can cause acidity. Maybe the food at the last party you attended didn't digest well, or your stomach is creating too many digestive acids. Whatever the reasons, acidity can be controlled by several home remedies easily and without running to medical stores or hospitals. These remedies are simple and tested by thousands of people, including me, who once suffered acidity. Opting for home remedies is a better option than going for medications to maintain a healthy lifestyle for a long time. 1. Buttermilk. First, the best home remedy for acidity is buttermilk, one of the most simple home remedies among the best home remedies for acidity. It's also enjoyable and healthy. You have acidity, then, you can get rid of it instantly without looking for medicines or squeezing your tummy by enjoying buttermilk on your couch. 2. Tulsi leaves. Tulsi leaves intensify mucus production, which finally leads to relief in acidity by reducing gastric acid. In India, the Tulsi plant can be found in every home, and it can be found easily in other countries. Tulsi leaves have some carminative properties, which provides instant relief from acidity. Tulsi leaves are helpful in other symptoms, such as nausea and gas. Also, Tulsi leaves instantly help get rid of bad breath. 3. Bananas. Well, this is something more comfortable than the easiest. Bananas can help you relieve the burning sensation in your stomach. Banana is rich in potassium, which helps us reduce acidity. A simple step is to take a banana and eat it. This will surely calm down the overflow of acid in your tummy. Banana also helps gain muscle and is suitable for digestive health. 4. Cold milk. Home remedies for acidity also include cold milk. Since it is cold, it will instantly relieve the burning stomach. Cold milk is also a rich source of calcium. Calcium prevents acid buildup and absorbs the excess acid produced in your stomach. 5. Ginger. For years, ginger has been known to improve overall digestion. Ginger, which you add to your tea, protects the stomach from the ulcer. It reduces the effect of acids in your stomach and relieves acidity. Ginger also works to heal the esophagus. Besides adding ginger to other things, chewing ginger is a more effective home remedy for acidity. The taste is not that yummy, but it works instantly. Simple steps to get rid of acidity are: take some pieces of ginger. 6. Jera. They are known to boost saliva production. Jera improves digestion and metabolism. Usually, Jera is added to most Indian recipes, but it's a good home remedy for acidity. Jera can be consumed directly or in powdered form. Take a tablespoon of crushed jera, add it to a glass of water, and enjoy your drink.